Hey too. How are y'all? Um, I got on here just to read a little something to y'all right quick. Today is not the best of days. And I call it Get a Clue. But um that's not a final title for it. But I read this poem in third period today. So yeah. Bit by bit I'm losing myself. My whole life is starting to fade away. Just like how a pen runs out of ink. I need to let go, set you free, so I can't be stuck in this hole of pain and misery. I no longer let you have. I can no longer let you have this hold on me because I am dangerously in love with you. Not just physically, but mentally. You have a personality that shines like the morning sun right before the day's begun. I know I shouldn't be heads over heels for you, but my heart isn't allowing my brain to have any say. Every day, someone tells me that I love you, and I know I do, but I don't know why I love you so much. You have got me torn between my fantasies and what is real. Oh, how I would kill for it just to be real and last a lifetime. I know I seem a little sprung, but I hear that's what love does to you. You don't know this, but maybe one day you will get a clue. One day, I hope. That's it. And yeah, you see, I've got like little strands of hair sticking up in the front. That's because I am angry bird. Yeah, I'm having one of those days. Yeah. This girl in my forensic class, she was like, "Is your name really Angry Bird?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she was like, "Well, it fits, 'cause you're always angry." And I was like, "Thanks." So yeah. I even have Angry Bird written on my pants, on my thigh. You can't see it. It's the other side, but yeah. Ooh, excuse me. Well, talk to y'all a little bit later. Probably next week before I leave out of town. I'm going to Georgia. Georgia. I don't want to go, but I am. I gotta go take some money out of the bank and buy me some luggage and pack. So yeah, the weather was nice today, oddly. Alright, bye.